Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household item. Okay, firstly remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and water resistant. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use, or any plastic object. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.